Two U.S. Air Force B-1B Lancer bombers participated in bilateral training exercise with Republic of Korea Air Force. According to U.S. Air Force, the drill focused on simulated precision strike and air interdiction missions, aiming to validate the combined operational capabilities of the two allied nations. Ukrainian forces have claimed their first confirmed destruction of North Korean Koksan self-propelled artillery system. According to reports, the Koksan system was recently deployed to the front lines by Russian forces. The video evidence captured via thermal imaging shows precision drone strike at targeted artillery system. At IDEX 2025, Chinese state-owned company Norinco offered its new SH-16A self-propelled howitzer to Middle East market for the first time. The SH-16A is equipped with 155mm 52 caliber gun, capable of firing multiple types of ammunition including conventional shells, laser-guided projectiles and top attack munitions. At International Defence Exhibition and Conference in Abu Dhabi, KNDS France has unveiled its new unmanned military ground vehicle Centurio X-30, designed to deliver heavy fire support with 30mm autocannon, capable of neutralizing infantry, light armored vehicles and fortified enemy positions.